I hope you're doing great. So, guys, today I'm here to present a reliable and unbiased piece of information about Vote Like a Beast.com. This is a trending month. If you want to get immense information about this, you need to stay tuned with me, watch the video till the end, and do like and subscribe to our channel. So, guys, yes, the website helps to spread the vote like a beast patch. It has get single patch, 3 in diameter fully embroidered patch, and stick home backing patch. So when we talk about the website, it states that to vote like a beast means to go beyond being registered and ready to vote. It means being informed about the candidates running for office and using that knowledge to make sure your voice is heard on the issue you care about the most. Get ready, be prepared to cast your vote. Get your vote saved and vote as per your information what you wanted to, because country is democratic. It's your decision to vote for whom, and let the voice spread, and your voice can be spread by wearing the beast patch. So check voter status, register to vote, get vote by mail ballot. 3 options are available. Then we're going to get the get set option. Be informed about your choices. What are your choices to vote? Presidential candidates, build your own ballot, and congressional candidates. Take the candidate quiz, district races, and more. Get state by state information. Go vote like a beast and be sure to spread your votes among every citizen. You're going to get information on the website related to how to vote by mail, find your polling place, understand your rights. Vote in person or postmark your ballot as soon as possible and no later than October 19th. So guys, before moving ahead, do like and subscribe to our channel as it will motivate us to do better. Now, as per the reports, you can also visit your polling place on November 3rd and make sure your voice is heard and masses hear what you wanted to spoke. So for that, you need to wear the beast patch or a single patch or on a back or embroidered patch. Share the message on social media with Vote Like a Beast and download free stuff and grab some merch. You can easily get free downloads on the website and spread the word. Profile pics, overlays, banners, wallpapers, singing, and more. Get merch and wear it in the wild. It's a t-shirt and stickers, pin and patches, and they are 100% profits or from the sale of the Vote Like a Beast merch will go to the vote.org, a non-partisan non-profit organization. So guys, the website says, did you know that your response to the 2020 US Census helps to direct billions of dollars in federal funds to local communities for school, roads, and other public services? It is true, the citizens have a right to make their own choices and describe what they wanted to be like and to whom they wanted to choose among the different candidates. It will also used to determine the number of seats each state has in Congress and your political representation at all levels of government. It is quick and easy to do. Complete the census. Mythical. The Mythical is an entertainment and a lifestyle brand founded by lifelong friends Reet and Link. So they want those who are eligible to vote like a beast. Just wear their t-shirts, their patches, embroidered patches, and go along so that the masses can hear you what you wanted to have. Stay up to date on the things Mythical. Check their email address, subscribe to their channel, and for the more information about the Mythical and their vote and about the beast and Vote Like Beast option, check out the Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and on Instagram pages. You will going to get more information about Vote Like a Beast.com, and you can easily subscribe to them. So guys, yes, if you found our information helpful and great for you, please like, share, and comment. And for more updates like this, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much guys for being such a warm audience. Thank you so much for giving a chance to give you information, and we're going to come up with the next video soon. Till then, be safe and be informed and take a wise decision.